Appreciate it. Nice stuff. Yeah, I try to keep it calm.
I remember being a safe.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let the block about me. Hear them bitches in the city going talk about me. Fuck around and get the trick and get dropped about me. Asking who to breathe, man, they gon' talk about me. Yeah, just the power sticky. Stir the red in the blue team politics. A millionaire wearing TikTok. The missions off the lock, then I go straight to Nick Brown on the east side. Yeah, that's where I kept the work. Work the way them two fingers every time she went to work. Power expo, little water, low tide. Gangland nigga, and I took the worldwide.
Right now. How you doing?
Doing good, man.
All right.
Appreciate it.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, I thought that's who that was.
What you running in here, man?
I got 6 XP315s on 3 ampere 5Ks. Got stock two alternators and 5 low voltage batteries, lithium batteries.
Yeah.
money, dig that. I fuck with her vibe, dig that. I see dollar sign, dig that. In a they belong to the streets. Links, why they call you Dolphin? You a dog, nigga.
Right there, brother. Yo, appreciate it, man. Where can they find you at?
Yeah, Fort Smith, Arkansas, man. Double D Customs.
Okay, that's what you on Instagram or social media anywhere?
We got social media. I'm on Facebook, Dustin Doughty, and then Double D Customs on Facebook.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, man.
I see
Appreciate
that
it.
time impressive bill, man.
Thank you. You got dope for me outside, man. You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.